How to download product drawings from OKW. Accessing 2D and 3D drawings is easy. Step 1. Visit the product page and search for a suitable example. For instance, Solid Box 175, part number C8017222. Step 2. At the top of the page, select the 3D Models and Drawings Info tab to view available files. Or simply scroll down and select the Drawings/Info tab to view technical files. This reveals all available technical documents. Step 3. Click to download. For PDF files, the download will begin straight away. For other formats like DWG, DXF, and 3D files, you'll be directed to the VIP Lounge. Once you're in the VIP Lounge, to access the files, log in with your email and password. Or register if you are a new user. Please note, downloading can only be carried out once new users have been through the registration process. Once registered, you can log in and download files anytime you visit.